There's TMI Racing, and they're pretty far away, not really moving.
Green or green?
Yeah, got two boats out there.
Okay, back to the water.
They're kind of falling behind.
Come on.
We gotta pick up the pace a little. Where's the other boat? They're probably on the other side.
Can't see the other boat.
That's best was to pass for the
We're not in sync. You gotta get back in sync.
They're not gonna hear you.
They'll hear when they watch this video. Stop adding your own comments.
You are adding your own comments.
Almost there. And they are behind. Don't know what place the other side is on.
I don't think that's us. We can't see from the No, that's us. Yeah. No, red jacket. No, it's not. Green shirt. Red jacket. Green shirt, blue boat. It is. Did they win? That's you. I know. You can't see from the thing.